Natete. Yeah, I'm chef here at Marriott Hotel in culinary arts, but especially I work in pastry. I do baking, I do breads, sweet cookies, mousses. After finishing secondary school, I attend a culinary arts short course. So then after I come in internship for 6 months. Then after 6 months, I began to work as a casual worker. Casual worker helps chefs to do the mise en place. Even you help chef in different ways. Because of the enjoyment of working pastries and helping chefs, so they decided to give me a job. Then I started as a commis too. Then after now I got a promotion, so now I'm the chef. The best part about being a pastry chef is that I get to prepare food that I like and I can share it with anybody else. When I started, I saw that the men dominated in hospitality industry. There are many misconceptions about women. For example, here in hospitality, we work shifts. There is afternoon shifts, morning shifts, even night. So about the woman, I was like, I cannot work night shifts. So, but now I prove it wrong, because even me, I work night shifts, I bake, I produce whatever man can do, even me, I can do now. After this EF program, now I improve in communication. So because in hospitality industry, you meet with different people, so you have to speak English. So now I can talk with anyone. I can explain to them whatever I do in English. Something I have learned so far is that in hospitality, communication is key. That's why I attended English and Communication program offered by RDB, Mastercard Foundation, and EF. Now my research skills have improved. Now I can research different recipes online that can help me in my everyday job. It's very important to give the women opportunities, because even them, they have different ideas. The message I can give to the young women: let's stand up, work hard, and use the opportunity we have. In Rwanda, we have so many opportunities. Like this EF program is important to the woman, because the more you communicate with different people, the more you get ideas. Let's take advantage of the opportunities around us.